Howdy folks, it's the Cowboy in the kitchen, and today we're going to make a healthy snack called hummus. I hope you're ready. It's going to be delicious and it's easy to make.
You're going to need 1 can of chickpeas, aka garbanzo beans. Three-fourths cup of tahini. Now if you ain't got tahini, you could substitute in olive oil. You're gonna need 1/4 cup of olive oil. Now if your hummus is chunky, use a little bit more, add it in to smooth it out. 1 large lemon, juiced. 1 tablespoon of garlic, minced, okay? Don't just throw it in there, alright? Now if you're a kid and you're trying to work on this recipe at home, make sure you get your parents to help you out if you need to cut that lemon or mince that garlic, okay? Next you're going to need 1 teaspoon of salt, some pepper, and cumin. In my hummus, I like to add a little roasted red pepper. It gives it a little smoky flavor, if you know what I mean. Once you have all your ingredients prepped and ready, we're going to start tossing them in the food processor. Kids, if you need help, make sure you ask your parents, okay? Alright, first, we're going to add in our garbanzo beans, alright? Chickpeas, whatever you want. Make sure you drain them, okay, kids? Next, we're adding in our freshly squeezed lemon juice. Put the lid in, get on ready for it. Here we go, turn it on. Now you want to add your olive oil or your tahini slow, okay? Low and slow. That's how we roll with this, alright? Get it all in there, come on. Shake it off. So I'm going to add in the roasted red peppers, because you know I like that smoky flavor. Alright, lastly, we're going to add in salt, cumin, and pepper. And we're ready to go. Look at that. Little garnish, little pita bread, some stuffed grape leaves on the side. Sounds good to me. Now y'all come on back to me now and let me know what you think. I'll see y'all later. Goodbye.